Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix HostGator login issues, cPanel and billing errors step by step clearly. If you're facing login issues with HostGator, follow these steps to resolve them. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure you're using a stable and secure connection. Next, try accessing the HostGator login page directly. Make sure you're entering the correct URL for cPanel or the billing portal. Double-check your username and password. Look for any typos or incorrect characters. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Check your email for the password reset link. Sometimes, emails may end up in the spam or junk folder. If you still can't log in, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve issues related to stored login data. Another option is to try a different web browser. If you have access to a different device, attempt to log in there. If you are still experiencing problems, verify if there are any ongoing outages. Visit HostGator's status page or social media channels for updates. If the issue persists, contact HostGator support directly. Prepare your account information and any error messages you've encountered. Support can provide you with detailed assistance tailored to your situation. Lastly, if you manage multiple accounts, ensure you are using the right credentials for each one. Following these steps should help you resolve login issues with HostGator successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.